Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by at my channel. So from the title, you guys know what we're going to be doing. I'm going to do makeup on the gorgeous, the beautiful Ricki Denise. And if you don't know who Ricki Denise is, she is a Gambian based YouTuber. I don't think she's Gambian, but she's a Gambian based YouTuber and she has amazing content. She does content about moving back to Africa, living in the Gambia. Check out her channel. I'm going to be doing makeup on my favorite Gambian YouTubers over the course of 4 weeks. I'm going to be picking one of them each week and doing their makeup here on my channel. But basically, I'm just going to do her makeup. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just going to be gisting with you guys. Basically, we hit 10. Okay, actually, we hit 1K. Loki wish it was 10K. We hit 1K subscribers a couple of days ago, and I am super excited about that. I am so happy for every new person that subscribed to my channel and all the old people that have been here on my channel and has been supporting me from the get-go. I love you guys so much. But yeah, so many amazing contents coming your way. I have so many plans, but this week has just been a bitch. I'm trying to like stick to 2 videos a week, but like I just have so much going on with school and life. Nothing goes the way you want it to go. Like this whole corona is just like a nightmare. It should just be gone already. But yeah, I'm gonna try to be more consistent now, put you guys first in my life. I'm gonna try my best. And yeah, so her makeup was so easy to do. Basically, like she has like literally flawless skin. Her color like so beautiful. So it wasn't something hard to do. I tried to go for like a very like playful, cute Barbie pink look, and that's what I settled for, because when you just meet Ricki, yeah, you get this aura of like, oh, I'm so happy, I'm so joyful, I'm just like playful. So I wanted to do something that matches her aura based on how I felt that day. I had nothing planned. I just like went with the flow, and I loved how this makeup turned out, and I feel like she looked so beautiful at the end. And if you guys like this video and you want like more in-depth tutorial about how I did the eyeshadow look, because like that whole part I kind of like skipped through it in this tutorial or in this video. But if you guys want to see like exactly how I went in and did everything, just let me know. I'll probably do it again for you guys. But I loved doing her makeup. I loved it. Was like a whole process. We're just and vibing throughout, and that was how I wanted this whole video to be, because like, you watch a lot of people here on YouTube and you don't really get to appreciate them and do your makeup every day. And today we decided to do something together for you guys here on YouTube. So this was a successful collaboration, if I could call it that. But I really enjoyed doing her makeup. Like it's so fun doing someone else's makeup for me now, and it's so weird because when I started YouTube, I hated doing people's makeup. I only like doing my own makeup, but now I feel like it's kind of like being a shift. Like now I like doing makeup for people more than I like doing makeup for myself, and I feel like you guys are more interested in me doing makeup for other people than when I do makeup on myself. If you guys still want me to be making like makeup related content on my channel, let me know. I don't get as much views on my makeup related content as I would want them to be, so I kind of like shy away from doing them now, because I feel like everybody knows how to do their brows, everybody knows how to do their makeup. Don't teach us what we already know. That's how I get my vibe, or that's the vibe I get from you guys basically. That's why I haven't been making as much makeup related content as you guys were used to before, because I mean, there's no point making a whole 10 minutes long video, editing it and doing all that when nobody's gonna watch it. But like, I'm still gonna do it. I love makeup. Makeup is like part of me, but I still also want to be able to connect with you guys and do things that you guys actually want to see. So it really means the world to me if you guys can suggest what you guys want to see from me in the comment section down below, so that I can put out the right content for you guys. Now watching this video, I just love the way this pink looked on her skin, like in comparison to how it looks on mine. I feel like bright colors were made for melanin, and I can't believe that there was ever a time that people felt like, oh, darker, deeper skin tone women shouldn't put on color, because it just looks so much better. Like the way it pops on the skin, amazing. Like this color really complemented the whole look, and I'm glad I settled to do this color. And the rhinestone just took the whole look to another like level. Like it just like completed the whole thing, and I was just so happy with how it turned out at the end of the day.
Holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you. I write it off for someone. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet. I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it now. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone.
I low-key almost forgot to say her face because everything looked good already. But yeah, that completes this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini tutorial slash video that I did with Ricki. Subscribe to her channel, don't forget, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.